God puts tears into your eyes, if God puts grief into your heart, if God puts pain into your body, do not imagine God is punishing you. Do not imagine any curse is falling upon you. Do not imagine God has abandoned you. No, God is calling you to the cross, to offer it with the cross of Jesus. There's a plan unfolding. God wants your suffering to be added with the cross of Jesus, so that what is lacking in the sufferings of Jesus may be completed. God has got a great plan to save someone through your tears. It is only in heaven. When we reach there, we will realize how many we have saved through our tears. Only then, only there, we will understand. On this earth, we will crib, we will complain, and yet, my dear sisters and brothers, there's a great plan unfolding behind every drop of tear, every pain in our body. Let's not complain. Let's bring it all to Jesus. Let's look back into our past. A lot of things went wrong with our life, and we were very distressed. And behind it all, a plan was unfolding and will continue to unfold. Let's remain close to Jesus. Let's remain close to the cross of Jesus, offering with the cross every pain.